Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A72 and today I would like to show you how you can check number of times you opened an app during the day. Start by opening settings. Now you need to scroll down and go into Digital Wellbeing and Parental Control. Scroll down again, go into App Timers and select an app. For example, Chrome. Click on it. And as you can see, now you can see how many times you opened in this app. For example, today, yesterday, or if you click over here, even weekly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!